In this example, what I'd like to do is take the points from my house and the offset points that I've calculated, and I'd like to generate a report to send out in the field for staking purposes. To do this, we need to use the stakeout points feature in Microsurvey CAD, and you can find this in the Kogo ribbon, and under the calculate points you'll find stakeout points. If we just click on that to bring up the command, here it brings up a new dialog box and it asks you to add points. There's a couple ways to do this. So if you pick on the first option on top here, this asks you to window in the points that you'd like to add from the model space. The second option is to manually type in the points that you'd like to add and then hit the plus button. But in this case, I'm just going to hit add points and window in my selection. And I'm just going to hit, missed a point there. And now that all the points that I want in the report that I have selected, if I hit enter, the next step is to generate the report. We have a couple options here. The first option is the coordinate point report. So if I click on this, this asks us to give this file a name. If I hit OK, this brings up the report right up here for you. It's just your standard ASCII file in the format of point number, northing, easting, elevation, and description if you have any. I'm just going to hit exit. The second type of report you can create is an angle distance report. If I just click on this to bring this up and give this a name. And if I hit OK, there's a couple options for this report. So we can sort the report by increasing angles or increasing point numbers. I'll just choose angle for this. And next it asks us for the setup point. And in this case, I'm going to use point 1012 as my setup point and point 60 as my backsite. We also have the option to choose azimuths only. If we check on this, this is just references everything to north. So if we check this setting off, we won't require a backsite. But in this example, we do have a backsite. And next, if I click on add shots, you'll see that, if I just click add shots one more time, we'll see that it shows and adds all the shots that need to be staked from the setup point. And now if we click on view report, this generates the angle report for us to use. And if I just hit exit, and I'll just close this since I'm done with the command. And that is how you generate a stakeout report in Microsurvey CAD. Thanks for taking interest in this video.